In this video, I'll show you how to change navigation buttons to full-screen gestures on your Redmi Note 9. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Redmi Note 9. Next, scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Inside the home screen settings, look for System Navigation and tap on it. Here, you'll see two navigation options: Buttons, Gestures. To switch from navigation buttons to gestures, simply tap on Gestures. A preview animation will appear showing how gesture navigation works on your phone. Here are the basic gestures you can use. Swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. Swipe up and hold to open recent apps. Swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to go back. Once selected, the navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen will disappear and gesture navigation will be enabled. And that's it. You've successfully changed navigation buttons to gestures on your Redmi Note 9. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.